guys, what's up? Today I'm here with Dola hair. This is a box. Looks pretty nice, you know, pink isn't my color, but it's a cute packaging. Very cute packaging, shake up your style. That's what it says in the front. And then in the back it speaks about how to maintain your human hair. So that's good. Let's go ahead, open the box, see what we got. So open it and I see the wig. We're getting that in a few. I got a scarf. It says Dola. Oh, what's this? I also got this thing. Okay, this is cute. This is a mirror and a brush. So you could like push it out. Push it out like this. Oh, that's so cute. I can just close it up back like this. That's nice. I got a wig cap. I got this edge brush and comb. I got this Dola thank you card. And I got this little assembly thing. I get it from time to time in packages. But that's everything that comes in the box. So we're working with a deep curly 13x6 transparent lace frontal wig today. It does even have fake scalp on the inside. That's always so amazing for me because transparent lace plus fake scalp, top tier wig. Then we get a normal, when you want the most natural look, snatched look, body look, these kind of laces, transparent, Swiss, HD, the whole works plus fake scalp, you can't go wrong. So I got this. It's 180% in density and it's 20 inches long, and I also got a medium cap size that is 22.5 inches. So yeah, that's always a safe pick for me. It fits my head wonderfully. So yeah, this is how in one of my previous videos I did show you guys the difference for transparent lace, Swiss lace, and regular lace. And then this comes with a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap, extra elastic band inside for more security, and adjustable straps in the back. It's a natural color for the hair. Also, see if I can get a little closer, the knots are bleached. That is a plus. Like, they went in on this. They went in and it's plucked. I will not go any further on the hairline. It looks very natural. The hair is very silky and I love that. I am gonna go ahead and jump into installing this because I'm very excited for this install. So let's go. The hairline looks so good. I love the way how snugged it is. Not like extremely snugged, but it's just sitting so effortlessly on top of my head, and I'm not cutting off too much off the sides. It's not that big. So yeah, again, I'm using my Got To Be spray today. This is so nice, guys.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I'll just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. Now with you, now with you, that I get when looking down from the sky. give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky. I'm with you. Give up this
remember I told you it's pre-bleached. You can literally part this anywhere you feel like. It is a 13 by 6. It is a 13 by 6 lace frontal. So most of the like that space is in the middle here, because on the sides it's shorter. So be mindful of that. You can part it, but it will be like a short parting. So it's like right here where it starts, and then you can literally. But today I really don't feel like I want to do the regular. I don't think I'm gonna do the regular wet up and, you know, I want to do like a style. So I'm thinking about probably doing it in like half up, half down in 2. I don't know, maybe I just should do that. We're gonna see. So guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I did not do any swoops today. The hairline is giving what it's supposed to give. I love the way it is. What I'm thinking about today is to do like a whole poofed out vibe. So I did not do like, you know, swoops with the sideburns. So what I want to do is like get my curling wand. I'm gonna curl it up. That looks good, but I feel like I want to make buns with them, like just like some messy top buns, and then I could like do the yes, this is the vibe I was going for. It was so easy for me to achieve this style like in such a short time. Yes, I love this messy effortless bun look. I really didn't have to do much. I didn't have to do much at all. The hairline looks good. It looks good. Let me know what you think about this, guys. This is a cute little hairstyle. I just kind of let this piece do what it do. I didn't care. Like the sideburns, no edges. Let me know what you think about this hairstyle today. Dola, this wig, the quality, I love the quality. The quality is beautiful. very easy to work with. To how nice the hairline was, I just did not do any sweeps. And yeah, that's the vibes. Drop your thoughts down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. All specifications of this wig will be in my description box, as well as the direct link to the wig. So if you are interested in getting this, go ahead and do so. Perfect for vacation, perfect for an event, perfect for anything you want to make it perfect for, because guess what, it's like of a natural color. You can pretty much rock this anywhere in any style that you want to. It's really up to you. It's really up to you. I love it. I give it a 10. I definitely would recommend. And that's it for now. So just go and stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Those hands and lights can't stop me.